Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to learn some useful shortcut keys used in MS Excel. Okay, let's start that session. First one is cut selection. Okay, cut selection. The shortcut key is for Control plus X. Okay, if you press Control plus X together, then system will cut the selection object. Okay, suppose I am writing here RAM and I will put the cursor on RAM and press Ctrl plus X. Okay, here you can see at my screen system cut the selected area. Okay, great. Second one is paste contents from clipboard. Okay, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus V. Okay, if you press Ctrl plus V together, then system will paste the contents from clipboard. Okay, before using this shortcut key, you need to copy first, na? Because before copy you can't paste any object, right? So you need to copy first. In my earlier videos that I have already described that how to copy the selected object. You need to press Ctrl plus C to copy this. Okay, Ctrl plus C. Here you can see at my screen the selected object is copied. Now this option paste contents from clipboard, the same is copied in system's clipboard. Okay, if you want to paste, then you need to press Ctrl plus V. Here I will press Ctrl plus V. You can see that system paste the contents whatever I have copied. The same was saved in clipboard. Got it? Okay, next one is display the paste special dialog box. Okay, display the paste special dialog box with sorry with okay, display the paste special dialog box. The shortcut key is Control plus Alter plus V. Okay, so the shortcut key to display the paste special dialog box is Control plus Alter plus V. But before again I will tell you all of you, before using this shortcut key you need to copy any object first to use this shortcut key. Okay, suppose I copied this object from here. Okay, and I will put my cursor in this area and I will press to activate this third number shortcut key. I will press Ctrl and Alt and V together and the system display the paste special dialog box. See at my screen, Ctrl, Alter and V. Here you can see at my screen the system is asking me that uh, system gave me the paste special option. Okay, here is formula, value, format, comments, validations. Okay, blah blah blah. Suppose I want I will choose value, then press OK. You can see at my screen system is pasted the selected object here. Got it? Okay, next one is display find and replace box with find tab selection. Okay, display find and replace box with find tab selection. The shortcut key is Control plus F. Okay, here I will press Control plus F together, then system will display find and replace box with find tab selection. Okay, see at my screen I am just pressing Control and F. Here you can see that system opened me a dialog box which name is find tab selection. Got it? Here I can find any object. Suppose I will type here RAM, that system will find me the RAM. Again I will press enter, then system will again find the object. Again I will press enter, the system will again find the object wherever it is situated. Okay, got it. Great. Next one is display find and replace box with replace tab selection. Okay, the shortcut key is Control plus H. Here if you press Control plus H together, then system will display find and replace box with refresh tab selection. Here you use Control plus F to see the find tab selection. Here we will use Control plus H to see the replace tab selection. Okay, see at my screen I will place Control plus H. Here you can see that system showed me the replace tab selection. Got it? Suppose I want to I want to find Ram here. Okay, and I will replace it to Mohan. Then what will happen? You can see here all done. We made 3 replacement. In earlier screen you saw at my screen that here the word Ram written. Okay, and after using this function, system replaced the Ram to Mohan. Got it? Okay, thank you. So I hope that this session will be very helpful to all of you. And if you like my videos, then please subscribe this channel. And I also want to request all of you, then please like, share and comment also to my videos. I will be back with new videos to all of you. Till the time, bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, guys.